right, guys, welcome back to Sun Crypto. In today's content, we're going to talk about alt. We're going to talk about Bitcoin also, but we're mainly going to focus on alt and our macro targets. We're going to go back to all our macro targets like BNB, XTZ, EOS, Litecoin, and all of that good stuff. As you know, Tezos macro view was not Tezos, but BNB macro view was calling for what not dollar but 112, and we already hit almost like 106, so we're most likely going to be breaking out on the above like $1.12 and could potentially hit our $275 over the next like a few days and so on, right, guys? So you get one of the best analysis in crypto, okay, with Sun Crypto. That's it, guys, no question asked. That's one of the best analysis. We give you guys target like 2 months ahead, guys. We said accumulate BNB. We got a target up to $700 when BNB was $30, guys. No one was calling for these numbers. Only Sun Crypto was calling for these numbers, okay? Maybe you can find other traders, okay, been calling for this number, but we call these numbers like in public, in private, everywhere, guys. Public live stream, private live stream. We said buy Tezos. Buy Tezos, guys. Like, not financial advice, but I'm just telling you what I think market gonna do, right? So now let's take a look at BNB. As you can see, BNB, as I said, if we close above this range, just about $30 range, okay, bang, okay, on the 50-day cycle, the last 50-day cycle right here did close above like 33, right? You can see like, but this cycle was not like a full cycle of 50 days. It was only like a 2-week cycle, okay? So it was pretty much hard to trust. But as you can see, bulls decided to trust the 2-week cycle, and basically the 50-day cycle, bang, 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 bang. Okay, it is likely to go much higher over the next like a few cycles. Okay, so any dips from this point, guys, even if it dropped down to $50, $60, I don't even know if we're gonna see BNB like $35 this year. No one can tell, right, for sure, because market is absolutely crazy. It doesn't have friends. It doesn't have enemies neither, right? But it doesn't have any emotions. Market doesn't care. It can drop tomorrow. Everything basically crumble like a 90% tomorrow. Okay, I'm not saying we will, but you just have to basically keep that in mind and take some profits along the way, because we're not going to see these crazy prices for a very long time, okay, again, right after the bull run. So make sure to take some profits. It is just a friendly reminder, right? For those of you guys looking for 10,000%, 100,000% gain and all of that good stuff, right? You might not get it, okay? So I think like 50 to 100x is good enough. But if you're looking for 1,000x, good luck, okay? You're gonna get some of those, but you might not catch them from the bottom, right? So that's all I wanted to cover regarding BNB. It is extremely bullish. I just gave you guys another update regarding Tezos. Guys, Tezos is no brainer. I don't need to talk about Tezos. I'm accumulating Tezos, okay, just like you guys. So I'm not trying to pump Tezos. I don't care about you guys buying or not, but everything I said it is going to pump, it pumped, okay? Everyone can say, oh, I said this coin is gonna pump, but guys, when I was saying this coin was gonna pump, I gave you guys a specific strategy, okay? We talked about it 3 to 6 months ago, okay? We said late February, guys, okay? Mid-February to late February going to be very crucial. We even like started pumping like before mid-February. You see what I'm saying? We said if we pump above our 2-day 21 EMA versus BTC, we're going to be pumping. Basically, that's it, guys. That's my strategy. It works beautifully, right? And most of these coins not even pumping yet, okay? They just start like Tezos, guys. This sucker is gonna pump so hard, guys, it's gonna melt faces, right? 2-day 21 EMA, we're struggling to break above it versus BTC. Once we break above this 2-day 21 EMA, break above the 100 EMA, we might be at $20. Okay, we might be at $20 depending where BTC is going to be at, right? So you take a look at it, is almost like double in price, okay? So if we double in BTC, okay, we're expecting BTC to stay constant, okay? We could double in price, okay? Not $20, but we could be somewhere around like $7.5 to $10 depending on BTC price, right? So if BTC decides to, once again, Bitcoin decides to be at 45 to 50k, we could see Tezos anywhere around like a 7.5 to $11, right? Okay, just for accumulation range, right? So something to keep in mind. So we're done with Tezos. We know what we're looking for on a 2-day basis. Beautiful setup. So now let's go ahead and take a look at scan the market before we talk about Bitcoin. Okay, so when we scan the market, we're gonna start scanning the market based on alphabetical orders, guys. So we're gonna start off with ADA. ADA, what we said, ADA was like extremely bullish. Don't even try to day trade your ADA. Suck it up, put it in a ledger, don't look at it. I haven't even give like any ADA trade setup. Okay, all my 88 trade setups, like, you know, 40, 50, 60% move, not like 10% move. Okay, 88 right here, you know, just about like right there. Okay, just about a 13, now actually 1000 sats right here. What we said was like we're gonna long 88, okay, from 35 cents to just about 50 cents to 55 cents. But okay, be cautious, because don't sell too early. Sometimes you have to be cautious positively, right? Meaning like you don't want to sell too early. So we said bang, okay, we know ADA USD hit basically our target right here, okay, right there, just about like I think like 49.53 range, right? 46 to 49, right? But we say do not sell out. Okay, just let's stick to ADA BTC, because ADA BTC, remember we did have a target last year to up to 1700 to 1600, right? We did pump to like a 16, but did not quite retest like what right here, our April rejection. Remember guys, if some of you guys been following me back then, what I was saying right here was like ADA with this bullish pattern right here, guys, that's the same bullish pattern actually we're getting on Wi-Fi. That's why I'm so very bullish. That's why I'm very bullish on Wi-Fi, you know, DeFi money. That move, guys, I called it bang. Okay, I called it even before the breakout, like 2 weeks right here, January 13th. That's when I started saying, not January 13th, but right here, just about like February, right? Almost like February 18th, 2 years ago. Actually 3 years ago, guys. It is like a 2021, guys, gosh. But take a look at right here. When I was making this call, guys, I was calling for this inverse head and shoulder, beautiful inverse head and shoulder, same pattern we got from BTC back in you know, 2018. Same exact pattern right now we're getting from Wi-Fi. That's why I'm so bullish on Wi-Fi. Once we get the breakout, bang, it's gonna pump. Okay, it's gonna pump. I think we got another setup just like this. Okay, I have to find it again, but you know, I got so many setups, man. Sometimes I just have to I have to basically take it slow. But bang, okay, 17 I think that time I was looking for 1971, but we hit like 1950. Same thing right here. Take a look at it. The high right now, it is just about, guys, 1800. Okay, so pretty close. So we still haven't hit my 1971, but it is pretty close. So 88, pretty bullish. I wouldn't be messing with it. It is still a hold. Wouldn't be doing anything for the next like a few weeks. Just leave it in a ledger. Sucker can give you another 20 to 30x, right, depending on volatility and market structure and all of that good stuff. Let's go ahead and take a look at Atom. Guys, Atom, I gave you Atom, both public and private. I said Atom when Atom Cosmos, all right, it was right there, 5.5. What we said, buy the sucker and don't look at it. Okay, we were leveraging it, but I was still bullish on it because it moves very slow. But guys, it is the thing, the reason why Cosmos was moving very slow is like because it started the structure at the bottom. The flat correction, we started it at the bottom. Most coins right now, they're starting the flat correction near the top. Okay, so let's say Atom started the flat correction right here and then struggled to get to the top right there, right, and then basically move sideways and pump to the upside, right? But other coins, right, like Litecoin right now is basically pumping to the upside and getting its flat correction right here. So you can see the difference in correction, bottom correction, top correction right there, not top but near the top correction. So that's why Cosmos was moving slow, but right now we broke the top range. It is going to be moving very fast. Okay, so beautiful setup on the 7 days chart. It is not breaking out on a daily basis. That's the 7 days breakout, so I wouldn't mess with it. Hold it. Okay, I already showed you in my premium group what we're looking for you know, not Tezos but Atom, okay, over the next like a few days. Okay, so let's go ahead and move, take a look at Balancer. Guys, we got a target in our premium. We've been bullish on Balancer at the bottom right here, guys, right there. Okay, right there we got a target up to this level of almost like a, you know, 150,000 sats. Right now it is just about like a 76,000 sats. So you're looking for a double in price, price doubling over the next like a few weeks and so on. Balancer USD not looking bad. Bang, okay, at resistance, looking to break it. I wouldn't be surprised if we get another dip down slowly, okay, just to retest the low. So be cautious, like a leveraging balancer. BAT, we very bullish on BAT. We still got a setup in our premium on the 2-day basis. We're looking great, right? Beautiful accumulation right here. So any dips right here going to give you another big move to the upside, right? Guys, remember QDOM, when QDOM was like 17,000 sats last year, same setup, okay, same setup. We said QDOM going to be moving slow, but once we break out to the upside, it is going to give us a big move. Okay, ICX, same thing back in 2019, same exact setup, guys. We played it beautifully. ICX, One Chain, Zilliqa, Nebula, Dash, all of that good stuff, guys. I remember all those setups. That's why we're doing well right now, because guys, we've been playing the market over the last few years. We not trading the market like we basically random trading. We're not random trading, okay? All our trade setups, okay, are basically beautiful setups. Okay, these setups are basically a trade we took before. We know what market is doing. We've been waiting for it. It's not like we're surprised about the big move, because we've been calling for these moves. It's not like, guys, we waited till everything started going up. We're saying, oh, something gonna 100x and all of that good stuff. We said it long time ago, guys. I gave you guys February, okay, last February, I gave you the right setup. Most our alt did double, triple. June, I gave you the right setup. Most of our alt did double, triple, right? In August, we started dropping. I couldn't find any setup, okay? August, September, October, I could not find any setups in a BTC pair, okay? So I was not talking about alt BTC, okay? You see, I don't know if you follow the trend, but since August, we haven't been talking about alt BTC. We've just been talking about alt USD, because alt BTC, I mean, nothing to talk about, okay? Everything basically been dropping, so I could not find a good trend. But take a look at it, guys. Starting from when? Late December, we started trading alt BTC. Bang, okay, bang, and we're killing it. Okay, we're killing it. Okay, Bitcoin Cash, guys. Bitcoin Cash is moving very slow. I'm bullish on it. Bitcoin Cash USD, however, Bitcoin Cash BTC, I'm not that bullish, right? It is retesting the bottom, right? I'm supposed to be bullish, but I'm waiting for price action to trigger a bullishness. Okay, it's supposed to be reversing. Remember, Ethereum, when Ethereum pumped like from a 0.023 right here at the bottom, right? Imagine that's Ethereum, and we pumped all the way up to the top. What I said, right? Ethereum was like 750, something like that, right? BTC was pumping to the upside, Ethereum was dropping. What I said, guys, once we hit like 0.023, Ethereum gonna shoot up. Bang. Okay, we shoot up from like 0.023 to like a 0.033, okay? And Ethereum price pump like from where? From like 750 almost like to 1300. So same setup right here, but I want to see Bitcoin Cash, right, to trigger the bullish momentum on the 2-day basis. I would give it like a a possible shot, right, to trigger the bullish momentum even down to the 8-hour time frame. So if I see like any bullishness on the 8-hour time frame, I'm going to be extremely bullish on it. I'm already bullish on it, but not extremely, okay? So I'm going to be extremely bullish if like we can find a beautiful crossover on the 6-hour to 8 to 6 hour versus BTC, because we're not going to be pushing to the upside if we're not going to be breaking out versus BTC. The only coins right now breaking out versus the dollar are those basically breaking out versus BTC. Okay, you take a look at BNB, for instance, it is breaking out versus BTC. That's why BNB USD is breaking out. So if you don't understand what's going on, you might be sitting on Bitcoin Cash forever and it might not break out till like next month. Okay, so kind of like Litecoin. I got a Litecoin long. It pisses me off. I really do know what's going on, but I just want to stick to my strategy and basically trade the the rest of my other coins. They doing well, so I do not have to worry about Litecoin. I mean, yes, I wanted to pump, but I just stick to the strategy right now. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at DOT. DOT, we're very bullish on DOT. So broke above resistance right here, accumulative right now, another accumulation range right here. So let's see over the next like a few days what we're gonna get from DOT in this range. Okay, let's say 24 to 22, even 21, could retest 21, but our target was like 26. We're still not there yet, but I think like we're gonna crush 26 if we find support just about a 21 to 22 area. Okay, EGLD, it is one of our top coin. I'm done talking about EGLD. Very bullish, guys. We picked it from the bottom, took some profits right there, 15 to 16. Say, hey guys, let's let it run. Okay, let's not do anything. Sucker can go all the way up to $500 right now. I don't see anything bearish on EGLD. All right, I don't have any price target right now. I just want to wait for a bearish momentum, but I'm just gonna let it suck it up and then pump it to the upside, right? Yeah, we're gonna talk about Uniswap. We're just gonna scan the market as I go. Okay, so Ethereum, let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum. We're getting a wedge pattern. This wedge pattern, guys, don't look at it as a wedge pattern, because why don't look at it as a wedge pattern? The correction was right here. Okay, this move, it is just a leading diagonal. It might be done. It's going to basically give you a blow off top very, very soon. Not to the downside, blow off top. Okay, so Ethereum very bullish. I'm looking for, guys, I already told you what we're looking for. 23.53. okay, 23.53 range to 23.58 range. Okay, I mean 23.8 range. Okay, so let's just say 23 to 24. That's what we're going to be looking for Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum BTC. One of the reasons in my premium we said just take it slow with Ethereum, because it is correct, and we just don't know if this is a double top and a potential double bottom, a continuation pattern, or we could get a double top, double bottom correction right here, retest the low right there before going to the upside. It means like Ethereum USD, we just have to be cautious. We either BTC going to be extremely bullish over the next like a few weeks, and Ethereum might be weak versus BTC, and the dollar value of Ethereum might not be pumping that hard. Okay, so something to keep in mind. Ethereum USD can still go up depending how strong BTC going to be going up, right? However, the Ethereum BTC pair might be just rebound. I mean, looking to rebound from 0.03. Okay, that's another 20% dump. So if Ethereum going to dump 20% versus BTC, and at the same time keep it's like a dollar pair, right, dollar value, it means like BTC has to pump. Okay, BTC has to pump at least 20%. Okay, BTC has to pump at least 20%, and Ethereum going to lose 20% versus BTC, and then so it can basically stay flat right around like a 1700 sats, right? 1600 sats. Okay, $1,600. Okay, so let's keep that in mind. Ethereum doesn't look that strong versus BTC right now, so be cautious. If you're long in Ethereum, you might be very tempted to do something crazy, because it might not move very fast. Okay, I already give the warning in my premium, so they know exactly what to look for. So guys, the next one to look at, to pay attention to, I don't have to basically tell you about this coin, because I told you already about this coin. Okay, before the breakout, guys, everyone was talking about what ADA, XLM, Uniswap, all that good stuff, guys. What I said, guys, what I told you, guys, I'm gonna give you one of the best coin, okay, one of the best performing coin, right, over the next few weeks, guys. Filecoin breakout beautifully from $22 to $24, guys. We said it by accumulated. It's not moving, but once it start moving, it's gonna move so fast, guys. You're gonna be FOMOing. You're gonna be buying it at $100, $200, $400. Sucker has a low supply. Let's go ahead and take a look at Filecoin, guys. I'm fired up today, so let's take a look at Filecoin. I'm always fired up when market is pumping, so I'm not a doom boy anymore. So guys, make sure to join my public Telegram group. If you're looking to join my premium group, send me a message. I also got my premium Discord link in the description. All right, so you can click on it. Okay, I'm giving you one of the best analysis in crypto, guys. I'm the diamond, guys. I'm telling you, I'm the diamond. I'm the beast of the chart, guys. I'm telling you, okay? I'm the beast, okay? So Filecoin right here. Filecoin, guys. Filecoin. Where is this sucker at? This sucker's supposed to be in the top. Okay, let's do this. Because sucker hasn't been moving for a while, so it just basically disappeared, right? But it was in the top 20, right? Let's do it. So Filecoin actually number 40. Okay, it kind of dumped down. Okay, but let's take a look at the historical snapshot, because I don't think it was top. I don't think it was top. Outside the top 20. I don't think it was outside the top 20. A month ago. Let's check it like a month ago. Let's say So this is sucker 7. Let's say the 10th. Okay. So when I started talking about this sucker was Vision. I don't know how to read anymore. I only know how to read charts and candles and all of that good stuff. Okay, top. I mean, it's about the same. So I think like the market cap got me confused because it was so big. But you know, first week of January we started 1 billion. Okay, 1 billion market cap. I was like, that's a lot. Okay, so no need to do anything because it might be moving sideways just to be very accumulative. Right now, you take a look at market cap. It is already 50% up, guys. Accumulation range right here. I remember when sucker dumped like from $30 like late December. I was like, bang, man, I almost long it right here, but I was like, okay, sucker most likely going to be dumping because market might be retracing. Bang. Okay, so right now very accumulated. We talked about it over the last few days. Buy this sucker if it pumps above $25 in our premium. We said if we pump above $25, you might be buying it above $100 if you do not buy it right now. Okay, so sucker is right now $33. Low circulating supply. 50 million, less than 50 million, guys, less than 50 million. I don't think like less than 50 million it is gonna find a hard way to a pump like a 5-7x and all of that good stuff, right? So let's go back to the chart right now. The breakout is not only on the daily, but guys, we're breaking out on a 2-day basis. That's a 2 days, guys, breakout, and candle going to close in 8 hours. Most likely we're gonna close above this range, so could anticipate a potential, if we get some sort of accumulation range right here. I don't think we're going to get any accumulation range because we've been accumulating right here. So I don't think bull's going to be wasting time taking profits right here. Okay, so take profits, guys. It could be, guys, right here. Let's take a look at it right there. So we got a wick to the upside where up to $400, guys. $400, guys. $400, guys. So we talked about when it was $20. So this sucker gonna basically do some crazy stuff. Okay, it's gonna do some crazy stuff. Not financial advice. Don't go ahead and buy it based on Send Crypto. Do your own research. I think the chart is very, very, very bullish. Let's take a look at File BTC. File BTC, one thing I like about it, it's not even doing anything yet. It hasn't even started, and File USD is basically killing it. It is killing it, guys. So if you remember the structure I just showed you on basically this coin I just talked about, right? It's not, it was basically moving sideways. I think it was wave or something like that, right? So bottom formation right here, correction, just breaking out versus BTC, guys. Let's see, versus BTC, sucker could be looking for another 77% move. 77% move just to hit the daily 100 EMA, okay, resistance, right? So that's another 77% move on the dollar, because BTC is at least on the dollar, because BTC is bullish. File is bullish versus BTC. If File going to be pumping 77% versus BTC, it means File USD has to pump at least guys 80% to 100%. Okay, at least. All right, so we would be looking for $67 to $70. That's our premium target anyway. All right, from like $22 to $24 range. So let's go ahead and move on, guys, to Kava. Dodge, we're gonna talk about all of that, guys. I want to talk about my setups first, right? So before we talk about it, I don't have any Dodge setups. I got more bullish setup than Dodge. Okay, so if you like Dodge, great. If you like my setups, great also, right? So let's take a look at basically Kava. Kava, what we talked about Kava, when we started talking about Kava, guys, we didn't even break out. Kava was like $1.50. We gave you guys target up to $3 after I upgraded it, and I said, guys, let's just suck it up. We're most likely going to $5. Okay, $5. We could wait for consolidation right here before moving to the upside. I don't see anything bearish. The only bearish setup we could anticipate is like if we do not break all-time high right there. Okay, just about August high, July high, right? So keep that in mind. FTM. Let's go ahead and take a look at FTM, because FTM was one of my top coin at the bottom. So most of you guys bought it after it pumped. We bought it when it dumped. That's the difference, guys. So I'm gonna show you our FTM setup. Okay, FTM BTC, I think we started talking about it like 95, right? And it dips down to 60 sats. We added more. It dips down to like a 40 sats. We added more. Bang, guys, take a look at it. Bang. So FTM, take a look at it. Bang. So that's when we started talking about FTM. we were bullish on FTM right here, got faked out, but you know, I knew exactly what was going on. Okay, I knew, okay, market going to reverse, so I did not basically panic. We did not panic. We just said, guys, FTM, you know, broke our support level, right? Next target to look for 60 to 40 sats. Buy the dip right here, just like CELR. Okay, IOST. Okay, IOST, when we started buying it, like, we accumulation range, I think was like 25 to 30, and but we said leave room for errors, right? And you could buy all the way down to maybe 18 sats to a 13 sats. Okay, it dropped all the way down to 18 sats, but pumped right back up to 70. Bang. Okay, so same thing with you know, FTM. I think FTM could be cooling off right now. So if you bought the dip, bang, you're still like 700% move. But we said crypto, guys, you 11x. Okay, 11,000%, 1100% move. Okay, not 1,000. Okay, just about 12x. So something to keep in mind. Very, very strong. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at Bzrx. Bzrx, guys, no brand. Okay, I told you about Bzrx at 17, 15, 16 sats. Right now we're trading above 55, not sats, 55 cents. Okay, so very bullish. I don't see why bull's gonna be selling right now, so I would be looking for all the way up to the top. You know, we got a target for Bzrx up to $60, guys. So we talk about when sucker was like 20 cents, 30 cents. We said do not do anything, you just buy the dip. Okay, and we're gonna take it to $60. Okay, so that's like a, guys, 4 or 5x call we're making. We're not making 10% call. Okay, so if you're looking to join some crypto, you know exactly what to do, right? I just gave you guys a rough, you know, analysis about all these coins. They're going to be pumping. I got a new setup regarding DAI, whatever, DEI. It's in our premium. Beautiful setup, very accumulative versus BTC, DIA. Let's take a look at on KuCoin. I think KuCoin has better history. Yep, very accumulative, beautiful setup, man. Beautiful setup, man. I just love this setup. I just love the setup. It doesn't have enough history, but I can see right here, that's the bullish divergence, right? If we did have enough history, it would be beautiful, but it is okay. Even if we drop right here, we can still do this move. All right, so very accumulative versus very accumulative versus BTC. Yeah, I'm not buying Dodge. I don't have anything against Dodge, but you know, I'm not holding any Dodge. I'm not saying Dodge gonna go to zero or anything. Oh, Mason, you must be a moon boy talking about Dodge, man. So so remember, guys, don't be a moon boy about any crypto. These suckers, man. If you're a moon boy about any crypto, you haven't basically been around like for a bear market. Okay, so I'm not a moon boy for any crypto. I'm just trading the chart. Dodge, BNB, BTC, I don't care. Okay, as long as the chart is bullish, I'm a moon boy. Okay, but I'm not being a moon boy for any fundamental reason, not at all. Okay, not at all. I don't really care about any fundamental reason. That's just me. Okay, I'm not gonna sit right here telling you this coin is better because it's gonna give you a better payment system and all of that good stuff. I'm not here to solve anything. I'm just here to basically trade the market. So if you're trying to solve, you know, anything, that's good. All right, that's a good thing. But but me, I'm just trading the market. I'm a trader. Okay, I'm just trading the market, and I like to see good stuff, good bullish pattern, or good bearish patterns. Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, it doesn't matter. We can short the market if it is ready to pump. File, man, as I'm talking about file, stock is still pumping, guys. It's not stop pumping. It is not stop. Look at, guys, we started our live stream right here, and it looks like sucker just said goodbye, son, I'm going to the moon. Look at it, guys. Look at it, guys. Not even 5 minutes after we start talking about it, bang. Okay, it is basically confirming what we're saying right now, guys. It is saying I'm going to 67, guys. Look at it, 13% move in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, guys. So it is a hold, guys. I wouldn't even be trying to leverage this sucker. I would just hold it, right? And you know, take it to the moon, right? And you know, Neo, guys, Neo looking very, very jullish, guys. I told you about Neo. I already gave you a Neo analysis when Neo was like 22, 23, and I was very bullish on Neo anyway around here. Okay, $12. When it pumped to like 26, I was thinking like it's gonna drop down to 17, but it never dropped down to 17. But it just, you know, got support from like $20. It is a 7 days breakout, guys. Something I forgot to mention. It is a 7 days breakout. Candle gonna close in 3 days. And if we close above like 25, 26, or even $30, guys, it is gonna be like goodbye. Okay, it's like buckle up, okay, buckle up for Neo, buckle up. All right, so RSR, so I'm gonna start taking requests before I talk about Bitcoin. So if you have any requests, guys, let me know. It's free, right? All you have to do is just subscribe, hit the likes, join my public Telegram group. If you do not join the public Telegram group, guys, or the Discord public group, you might not get your request. Okay, make sure to do all 3 of them, and do not forget to get the notification, right? So you get one of the best calls with Send Crypto, guys. That's just what it is. Okay, I'm not saying it, you guys saying it. All right, you guys saying it, I'm not saying it. So let's see, Binance, RSR on Binance. So we did have a target for, you know, just spot target and leverage target, both of them. But let's see, already hit it, retrace down. Beautiful setup, guys. Very accumulative. Just give it time. Okay, you already got the correction. I can see the correction right here. Okay, very overextended flat correction right there. So we can look for the next move to the upside, right? So just give it time. Let's check it on the 2-day basis. On the 2-day basis, you're looking very good. You're looking very good, man. You're looking beautiful. So right here, just need a nice close above 4.5 cents. Okay, 4.5 cents might get a you know, a small rejection, just about 5 cents and so on. But if you can basically get a close above 5 cents on the 2-day basis, sucker gonna moon. Okay, it is gonna moon. All right, no question asked. Send 1 inch. 1 inch doesn't have enough history, but I think sucker can go to can be 100 inch very soon. Let's see, sucker is very bullish also, right? So 1 inch, pretty much similar to POLKADOT right here, when DOT was accumulative, right, over the last few months. So same setup, breakout to the upside, very accumulative right here on a 2-day basis. On a daily basis, just be friendly with your 2-day 21 EMA. That's going to be your best friend along the way. So any dips down to a $4 range, going to be a good buy. Okay, so if you take a look at it on your 12-hour, you're sitting on your 21 EMA on your 12-hour also, right? Beautiful setup. I don't see any downtrend. However, if we're gonna, you know, go through a bear market for 1 inch, right, we could suck it up and look for a support at 382 right here. Okay, 382 going to be right there if we get any dips like below $4 range. Okay, all right, 3.7 to $4, right? You could be looking for a good buy range at 2.7 and so on, right? But as of now, on the high time frame, I don't see a drop, so we just gotta give it some time to digest the big move, right, to see what direction, which direction it wants to go. So EasyFi, I don't think I ever analyzed EasyFi. All these Wi-Fi, EasyFi, Unify, Unfi, Bullfi, Moonfi, Senfi. Let's see. Easy with a Y. I can find EasyFi, man. So Walton, WTC, it is still very accumulative versus BTC. Guys, you gotta move, you gotta basically start like trading these 2020 coins, and then I think like the 2017 coins gonna be the last one pumping, right? But you know, Walton, I got a setup on my other layout. It is still very accumulative. I think it is very bullish, right? You just need to break above like you know, 200, right, to 250. So look for a resistance just about 250, right, up to 250. Can find hey Anna, I can't find EasyFi. Maybe I spelled it wrong. EasyFi, can't find it, man. Can't find that sucker. Can't find it. Let me see Walton. I mean, you don't have any Bitcoin exposure. It's not a bad idea. Okay, back in 2017, I didn't. Okay, the last quarter of 2017, my exposure was like 100% alt. Okay, but back then I was lucky because I didn't know any better. Okay, I was like, man, but I did understand like the purpose of holding alt was like to gain more BTC. That I knew. Okay, I 10x my BTC back then, right? Just by holding alt from like October to December, January, right? But now it is different. Now BTC is cost so much. You don't want to get like 100% exposure. You want to at least be like 20 to 25% BTC, just in case to cover yourself up. Okay, just to cover yourself, right? Just in case, right? But back then I was like, man, I was just a moon boy. Nowadays when market dropped, I'm like, okay, I need to take a look at the chart. Okay, but back then when market dumps, right, I'm very happy. Okay, like I used to be very, very happy like when market dumped, because I'm like, okay, man, I need to buy the dip, right? But now it's like, okay, let's analyze the chart, right? So it's different, right? So we already talked about XTZ, but let's go back to Mr. Tezos. Okay, let's just get it to the upside, take it to the upside. TRB, so TRB been moving sideways over the last 6 days. We're gonna take a look at Tezos K4 right here, right? We got rejected, right? Support right here, so it is likely to pump to the upside. If we get another rejection, we're gonna get another support right here. So I'm not sure if like we're gonna get the double top, double bottom right here before the move, but since market is bullish, right, I'm just gonna give it the chance to get the move done. Okay, we already got the bullish crossover on our 6-hour price action above the 21 EMA, guys. Bang, that's it. That's all you need. That's all you need. Okay, but if we get this move, we're gonna have to wait for price action to correct again above the 21 EMA before we do this. That's just market structure. You could get the triangle. You don't have to worry about anything else. No question asked. Take it to the moon. Okay, Tezos, once again, Tezos is basically going to the moon, right? Similar structure. Okay, just like what we said regarding TRB, right? We could get the double top, double bottom right here if we get any rejections. Okay, so if we dip down, you know exactly what to expect. Okay, market is already bullish. However, people are going to be taking profits. Market going to have to basically respect that and retrace down and find a way back above the 21 EMA on the 6-hour time frame. MACD might be still bullish, but I don't think it will. If the drop is too deep, it might basically need to recorrect again. Okay, correct again, recorrect again, need to recorrect, and we could be looking for another move to the upside, right? 60 watching, 25 likes, guys. 60 watching, we should get like 60 likes because you're watching Send Crypto, you're watching the beast of the chart, the one of the best in the market. If you don't know who Send Crypto is, guys, join the public Telegram group. If you're looking to upgrade, guys, and you're looking to 10x your BTC, guys, alt to BTC pair, okay, I'm giving you crazy targets. Okay, I already told you about Digibyte before the breakout, but most people are going to be FOMOing once Digibyte hit my target, guys. I'm telling you guys, most people are going to be FOMOing on Filecoin right now after a 300% move. All right, so guys, let's go ahead and take a look at Wi-Fi. I'm very bullish on Wi-Fi. 7 days chart, guys, right here. We know what's going on a 7 days basis. Right, if you take a look at the Wi-Fi chart right here, I just showed you ADA back then, okay, versus BTC back in 2019. Same setup. What I was calling for is like ADA going to be breaking out right there, 1-to-1 extension, right to the upside. If you do it on a log scale, you're gonna get a better number right here, right? Log scale, bang, swing low, be greedy, take the high, and take closing basis to be greedy. You're gonna be looking for 40,000. Okay, $40,000 Wi-Fi, guys. It is right now 22, not 40,000, 4,000. I'm being a moon boy, man. So we're gonna be looking for up to 4,000. Temporary rejection, just about 3K. I already gave you an analysis, so you know exactly what to look for. That's one of the guys. That's one of the most beautiful, okay, most beautiful bottom formation, guys, you can find in this market. It likes to repeat itself. I've seen it multiple times. That's why whenever I see it, guys, I saw it on EGLD, Wi-Fi right now. I'm seeing it on Wi-Fi. I saw it on ADA. I saw it on this coin. Again, we just talk about file. Okay, it just pumped. So this sucker gonna pump so bad, guys. You guys gonna be like, man, take a look at ADA right here. Not ADA, BTC right here. Same setup right there, guys. Same setup right there. Same exact setup. So Wi-Fi is just about right here, guys. I'm giving you like 3 years setup, guys. Tell me in the market who's giving you like 3 years setups. Okay, live. Okay, you ask me any coins live, I'll give you 3 years setups, guys. 3 years. Okay, because I played them before. Okay, I know how they react. Okay, I know the type of FOMO they're gonna get. Okay, BNB, when I was talking about BNB, guys, BNB was right here, guys. I told you BNB gonna break out, guys. You guys been sleeping, man. You guys been sleeping on Send Crypto. Right here, I told you BNB at the very bottom, guys. That's what's beautiful about BNB. Okay, guys, you just joined my premium group, right? You can see all of these targets. Okay, you can see all of these targets. Let me see, guys. I had to basically reduce the resolution, right, to 720 just to get a good live stream, right? So that's why most of you guys can watch right now. Okay, so BNB, let's do BNB BTC, guys. BNB BTC. Okay, so you take a look at BNB BTC. When we talk about it, when we started talking about BNB BTC, not started talking about, when we give the signal right here. Okay, so guys, January 9th, okay, right here, what we said, BNB BTC breakout setup. All right, wedge pattern, 8-hour divergence, price pretty close to the apex. Okay, apex, right? Current market sentiment bullish. Bull could take advantage of the current market setup and could trigger a big breakout target, 150,000 to 145,000. Okay, sats, of course, right? Not dollar. Target in dollar value, we were looking for like slightly 55, right? That back then. But take a look at it, guys. We already broke above our resistance, right? Or above like 150. Right now we at 200,000 sats, 30% higher than my target, guys. Okay, you get these type of setups with Send Crypto, guys. None of that nonsense. Okay, none of that nonsense. Look at the setup also for Kusama, guys. Same exact time, same exact date, right? Gave both setups at the same time. Both of them, we killed them. Kusama was like 60.54, right? Right now Kusama is what, guys? 120, and we got another target up to like 250 for Kusama. All right, so beautiful setups with Send Crypto. None of that nonsense, right? I do some scalping, but I think it is not time for scalping. You're scalping, you're wasting your time. That's it. Okay, you're wasting your time. You're wasting your time with scalping right now. Okay, so this guy asking, do I do trading or long-term holding? We do both. We do swing trade. We just don't do 15 minutes trade, 10 minutes, 10% gain, and all of that good stuff, right? Giovanni, moon boy. Giovanni is a moon boy right now. Giovanni is a moon boy. Okay, let's see. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Boneless hearing, bowling hearing, whatever. Andrea in the house. Iceman in the house. Let's see, guys. Let's go back to our moon analysis. Okay, Vise is happy. He says he's making a lot of profits, right? Bang. So this guy just entered position on, whoa, my other position on TSOI is 500% up. I didn't buy any. I just gave you the setup, right? I don't even know. When I gave you the setups, guys, I'm talking to you guys, but I'm just answering some question in my premium. T or T, I think it's T. Let's go back, take a look at it. So I didn't say it, guys. I did not say it. Look at guys right here. Craig, you know, my other position TSOI is up 460%, nearly 500%. Helion, guys. Okay, HYLN. That's not crypto. HYLN. It is not crypto, right? But we do. We are very bullish on it, and we look. Oh man, look at. We just have to take a look at it, guys. We're gonna have to take a look at it. Let's take a look at our Helion setup. Okay. Look at our setup, guys. 300% move from GTE, guys. Okay, from 18 cents to 23 cents. We took it all. We taken it all the way up to 70 cents. Over 400% move. Okay. Let's see. Our HYLN, guys. Bang. Okay, we're still very accumulative. Same setup as Wi-Fi right now. Wi-Fi 2. Same exact setup. Bottom formation. GTE. Bang. Okay, we already talked about it. Let's go back to the alt. I mean the gold, and take a look at which one Craig is talking about. Kawi, not Kawi. Hey Giovanni, not Giovanni, but not Andrea neither. Okay, that's the setup he's talking about, right? So I will see if we hit the 11 cents, because he said he's up like nearly 500%. Okay, so let's go back to TSOI. So, but before we talk about TSOI, we're going to take a look at what HYLN. Okay, remember HYLN, we buying right here. That's the bottom formation. Can it drop? Yes, it can drop lower. We know that. Okay, but it is going to be temporary. Okay, before the next move to the upside. But the safest thing is like to buy right here before before we get the parabolic move to the upside, and do not break to the downside. Okay, so something to keep in mind. I'm very, very bullish on the HYLN. Okay, very, very bullish. You take a look at the structure, similar to what, guys? I just showed you guys. Same thing. Just showed you guys. Just showed you. That's a double top, double bottom, triple top, retest the bottom, bang, guys. Beautiful divergence. Okay, beautiful divergence. Any dips to the downside, it is going to be a fake out. Okay, TSOI. Take a look at it. Bang, guys, bang. Okay, I already gave him the setup, guys. Take a look at it. What I told him, 11 cents, guys. We are 16 cents. Only cent crypto will give you, guys. I'm not holding any. So when I'm doing this stuff, right, I don't care. Like, I mean, I do care. I just give like my honest opinion, right? But I don't basically say, I don't give you I'm not giving you a setup for you to be happy. You see what I'm saying? If I don't see a bullish setup, I'm gonna tell you, sucker gonna dump. You guys know I don't have no mercy about the market. Okay, so, and you take a look at it right there, guys. Guys, sucker is 500% up. Take a look at it right here. We were looking for 11 cents. Next resistance, right there. 14. Okay, and I just gave it to him when, guys. That's Zen Crypto, guys. That's Zen Crypto. You get one of the best analysis, man. I'm telling you, guys. I'm telling you, guys. A week ago, guys. A week ago, on the 29th, 29th, guys. 29th, guys. Bang, man. I should have bought though, but I didn't do my research, so I did not want to basically FOMO on these assets, right? So I don't FOMO. Okay, I don't FOMO. Guys. So let me take a look at the chat room, see if you guys have any requests, right? Mr. Jason, man, look, man, I'm gonna give you a free premium access if you keep tipping me. I'm telling you. Okay, stop tipping me this much, man. You're making me rich, right? So thanks a lot, man. Thanks a lot, Mr. Jason, man, for those $50, man. You're making me very happy, man. Keeping me fired up. Thanks a lot, man. Hey, man, look, Patrick, you do not have to watch, okay? I can't repeat myself. That's my live stream, okay? You don't have to watch. You don't have to subscribe. You don't have to do anything. If you're not happy, go watch something else, okay? I'm giving you like 300% gains, and you're telling me I'm repeating myself, okay? If you're making profits and you're not happy, buy, okay? Don't give me that nonsense. I don't want to hear that. We're in the bull market now, okay? It's not time for that nonsense, man. You know what? Buy. I want to hear that nonsense, man. I'm spending my time, right? Giving you targets, free targets, right? No, you're not paying me anything, right? YouTube not paying me neither, okay? I trade for a living, right? So, I mean, not paying me enough to give you free targets, right? So just buy. Spend my time with you, man. Okay, let's see. This is me off. So Cardano and VeChain. Yeah, Cardano and VeChain looks great. They looks great, man. VeChain, you know, just go ahead and watch my analysis regarding VeChain. Okay. The reason why I repeat myself is like it helps me basically go through the market, okay, to scan the market. So if I repeat myself, I can remember stuff better, okay, myself. That's why I remember all of this stuff, and you guys, it's gonna help you guys remember stuff also, right? But I'm not repeating myself because I don't, you guys deaf or something, right? Which one is the best coin to buy right now? It's no best coin. It's just go by the setup. Go by the setup. If you try to go by the best coin, you're gonna get wrecked. That's it. Thanks a lot, Palmer, for tuning in. Chemical suicide in the house. Dash. Anna, thanks a lot, Anna. Now, I mean, he's not a hater, but sometimes these people they just pisses you off. Like when you spend your time and night and days. I got premium group to talk to. I don't have to do public live stream. Okay, I don't get bored. I got a public group, premium group, Telegram group, Discord group. So I got people to talk to all the time. So I don't have to do live stream to have fun. Let's see. Dash. Let's take a look at Dash. Dash. I think it just started pumping above $100, right? I don't have any, but I think it's on watch list. So yes, Dash gonna pump. Okay, just like IOST. I was about to send a IOST setup. It's a SAM setup. Okay, it's gonna break out very soon. Okay, Dash we did have a setup from 80 right here. Let's see. It was like from 80. Dash is moving very fast, man. It feels like forever right now. I think it was right here, 83. Okay, we did have a setup up to like 93. I think was right here. Okay, right here at the bottom we did have a setup up to like 93, right? Short-term setup, and sucker pump all the way up here, right? So no, it was right here. Okay, right there. Okay, right here to right there. So but it is a beautiful setup. It looks like Litecoin. So you got the impulse, you got the flat, you got the move. Okay, that's your resistance level. If we break it, look for like 150. It is still a hold. Okay, okay, great, Anna. Thanks a lot, man. Just stick around and you're gonna be fine. I mean, if you already spend if you already buy these alt based on USD, it really doesn't matter. You just have to know at what price level you bought them in USD in BTC. Because while I'm buying an alt, like for instance, if I'm buying ADA right now at 67 sats, I know the price of ADA in BTC at the same time, which is like 1465. So I don't have to buy them in BTC, but I just want to keep up the price versus versus BTC. You see what I'm saying? So let's say you got $100, you want to buy ADA at 1400 sats. You do not have to buy BTC and buy ADA. You can just go ahead and buy ADA market order, because market is so volatile, right? Or you can just put limit order 1% below the price. Market most likely going to take it. You don't have to basically be very, very specific and try to be greedy about like 1%, 2%. It's not time for that. Okay, it's not time for that greediness. Buy these suckers, right? Personally for me, okay, I'm not trying to worry about like 1% or even 5%. Okay, market is very, very volatile. You can buy ADA right now and it's gonna drop. It could drop potentially 5-10% right away, right after you bought. Okay, but you're looking for like 20, 30, 40x, 50x. So why worry about like 5%? Yeah, CHR, it's not even pumping yet, man. I don't think we even there yet. CHR is one of my top pick for February, so it's not like you know, we called it on like 70 sats. It's like 100 sats right now, but I think like it got a potential to go all the way up to like 500 sats, right? It's not even pumping yet. It's just accumulative, just like BLZ. BLZ doing the same thing right here. Okay, once we break above like 117, gosh, man, it's gonna say goodbye, man. I'm very excited about the 2020, guys. I love this setup. I'm not in rush. I'm not FOMOing. You got time to make plenty of money, right? Just don't FOMO. Just don't FOMO. Don't sell, don't sell your BNB. Go ahead and jump on like CHR because you think like CHR gonna pump and CHR gonna retrace down. You're gonna panic and sell at 50 sats, and sucker gonna go all the way up to 10,000 sats. You see what I'm saying? Don't do that. Don't FOMO. Stick to your game, right? Chill, okay, and enjoy the ride. That's it. That's all you have to do. You don't try to day trade these suckers, right? I trade the market. I don't day trade. Yeah, sometimes I do in and out, but I don't do day trade intentionally, like sit on my computer trying to make profit right away. I don't do that. Yes, I do take trades on a daily basis, but those trades, I'm not taking them based on like the next, like I'm gonna take profit like the next hour or something like that. I can wait for 7 days, 10 days, 2 weeks, 6 months, you know, depending on market volatility. You see what I'm saying? That's why we waited for BNB from, guys, $30, right, to $112. That was our target, guys. So okay, guys, it was a target. Okay, so thanks a lot, guys. Thanks a lot for the tips. Yeah, CHR is not pumping. It is don't look at CHR USD. The only reason CHR USD is pumping is because CHR BTC is moving sideways. It's not dropping versus BTC, and Bitcoin pumped 20%. So CHR USD going to pump 20%. That's all. If you don't understand that, you might be selling your CHR and you're gonna be buying it higher. That's what I'm trying to tell you. So CHR, we could be going above like 700 sats. Guys, that's a secret. Don't tell anyone. CHR BTC 700 sats. That's the first time you hear it. Okay, you're hearing it. Okay, so that's the first time you're hearing somebody say we're gonna be pumping above 700, 800 sats, right? Okay, so very confident we're gonna get that move, right? So join Send Premium, right? If you're enjoying my content, you're making profits, right? You want to join my premium, you already made the profits because I'm giving you guys crazy targets in the public group for you guys to be able to be the elite. Okay, I want you to be one of the best traders. Not join the premium to join the premium. It's just like when you join the premium, it's like because you already got trained in the public group, you got enough, you know, setup, you see what's going on. Hey, what's up, Chip Allen? Thanks a lot for tuning in, man. Hopefully it's the same Chip Allen, but I don't think it's the same Chip Allen, but yeah. So, but hopefully, you know, if you join the, if you join the public group, you can definitely get, enough trades to basically be very profitable. I'm not giving you 10% trades, guys. I'm not giving you 10% trades. So I'm giving you 200% trade, 300% trade. So Bitcoin Cash, as we just said, let's go back to Bitcoin Cash BTC. As you can see, guys, I know exactly what I talk about. I don't basically talk nonsense, guys. Remember what I just said. We need a breakout on the 6 hour. We just talked about 15 minutes ago. Bang. What we got? 2 hour breakout, right? Let's clean up the chart. Guys, you get these live, okay? 2 hour time frame breaking out. Let's take a look at it on the hourly. Of course, potential what? Bullish divergence. It is a hold. It is a hold, guys. It is a hold. It is gonna pump. It is gonna pump, guys. Beautiful. Once we get the price action, okay, MACD above the histogram right here, that's going to be beautiful. Okay, the only downside is like we could get rejected right here and then retest it before pumping. Okay, that could create another triple bottom right here. Okay, this move right here. So don't panic if we get a rejection. Okay, just in case we do not get the straight, get the move straight to the upside. Right, Ivan P, thanks a lot, man. Oh man, I just got like $17,000 tips from Kendris. Thanks a lot, Kendris, right? Thanks a lot, man. You're making me very, very happy, man. So by buying me a coffee. Yeah, what's up, Chip, man? Chip buying Bitcoin, man? That's crazy, man. That's not the Chip I know, man. This guy, I told him like buy Bitcoin when Bitcoin was 3K. He did not listen to me, and now he went going to buy IOTA. It's okay, man, Chip. It's okay. I tried to warn him, man. I warned you guys. I warned you so many times. I said, guys, buy these suckers, guys. Okay, buy this sucker 3K. Okay, but that's when I know these guys. When Bitcoin was like 35. I remember exactly, guys, before the breakout. Because that time I told this guy, man, look, watch my channel, okay? I'm gonna be, you know, and all of that good stuff. I just explained to him, right? Tell him like Bitcoin gonna go to 30K. That was back in 2019. I was very bullish, okay? But the guy said, no way, man. He doesn't know anything about the market that way. So I understand, right? He said, no way we're gonna go to 30K. So we did not hit 30K. We hit 14K. So, but I was insisting, guys, we're gonna hit 30K, and bang, now everybody gonna be FOMOing. All right, so Chip, make sure to join my public Telegram group. I'm gonna give you some good setup, right? And you're gonna go to the moon with us, right? Make sure to buckle up, right? If you get wrecked, no financial advice, right? So, all right, thanks a lot, man. Thanks a lot for tuning in, Chip. Thanks a lot, Ivan. Yeah, I'm gonna take a look at IOTA for Chip. I don't even know how Chip found out about IOTA. So IOTA very bullish, man. Like I think IOTA BTC broke out. Let's take a look at IOTA BTC. So IOTA BTC broke out. Take a look at on a 2-day basis. Bang, bang, guys, bang, right here, guys. Take a look at it right there. Take a look at it right here. So just be cautious, okay? That's the first move to the upside. We could cool off, right? Look for this move to the downside right there. So IOTA could lose some steam versus BTC, but however, if IOTA, okay, going to be dropping back down to like 11,000, right? BTC could be pumping still, okay, to the upside, right? So IOTA USD might be unaffected, right? So I'm not sure if you're going to get the move, but if we do get the move, it is still going to be a beautiful correction, just like I showed you about TRB when TRB was pumping earlier, right? And also basically Filecoin, right? Let's go back to Filecoin so I can show you the setup. Guys, I'm giving you one of the best analysis, right? All around, guys, all around, okay? Right here, Filecoin. Right here, okay? So if you didn't know what's going on, you're gonna be bullish on Filecoin right here. I was bullish, but I knew exactly what was going on right here. The double move right here, I was like, we're gonna drop down here. We're gonna retest the bottom, but we did not retest it linearly. That's very important, okay? So the move right here, it was a retest of the low. But sometimes you're gonna correct in time. You see, we retested it, right? But we retested it what? A week, 2 weeks later, okay? Not even 2 weeks, but a month later, okay? That's like, you know, January 18th, right? That's when, February 8th, almost 3 weeks later. But the most important is like it corrected in, you know, both in price and time, okay? Just, you know, retest it later on right here, right? But beautiful, okay? Just like IOTA. So IOTA, if you get that move, let's take a look at it. Oh, okay. That's hey Chip. That's how I used to do it too back in 2017. But be cautious, right? With those moves, right? If so, some of these coins they you might be using that strategy, and it might not work in 2019. So IOTA, that's what I'm saying. We can get this move down, but it might not be a straight line to the downside. It can do something like this, do something like that, and drop right here, but still gonna retest right there. Okay, so just in case, but it is still bullish. Just stay with the trend. It is okay. Okay, let me give you a macro analysis for IOTA. You my boy, okay? No, my boy, my friend, okay? That's what I mean. Because Chip is a man, right? IOTA BT, IOTA USD. let's see, IOTA USD macro view. So I remember buying IOTA back in 2017 at the same price level, okay, 73 cents, okay, because that FOMO, right, I wanted to buy around like 18 cents because it wasn't moving back then, like October, November, IOTA wasn't moving, so I was procrastinating, right, 18 cents, you know, 17 cents, 20 cents, but as soon as we broke above 40 cents, I started to FOMO. So 50-day cycle is saying like IOTA it is a hold, don't need to do anything. Really? Okay, really, you don't need to do anything. Looking at the 50-day cycle, volume at the bottom is actually very low right here. Okay, very low, right? So that's a good move. So it means like we could potentially see a very sustainable you know, uptrend, all right, because we got low selling volume at the bottom, so the breakout could, you know, be very easy move to the upside. And next resistance based on closing basis going to be like $40, right there. Okay, so we could see like a potential $40 for IOTA within the next 50 days, because the next cycle going to start like February you know, February 19th, right? XTZ is flying today, guys. Why are you surprised about XTZ? It's not like we did not talk about XTZ, right? Tezos, I'm just huddling. I'm not even like leveraging or like a swing trading, low, all of that good stuff. I'm just buying. I don't care. I'm gonna buy all the way up to $5. Okay, $10. I'm gonna be buying, because guys, I bought all of these suckers back in 2017. Like Qdom, I was buying it like $9, $10, $12, right? Waves, I was buying it at the same price, $9, $10, $12. But all these suckers right now, they still below those prices, right? So why not basically buy them? Okay, add to your position. Okay, talking about waves right now, wave 7-day chart, we just broke out on the 7 days basis, right? In our premium, we did have a position right here. We said suck it up, guys, hold it. Okay, hold it, don't sell it right now, because we bought around like $7. Okay, it is right now $11, guys, and we could go all the way up to $40 waves, guys. So that's how bullish this sucker is, man. So wave BTC also very accumulative. As you can see, that's the same setup I tried to show you on IOTA, right? You got the move right here. Okay, that's that same thing I tried to show you. So wave, it is very bullish on the dollar, but on the BTC, you know, wave BTC is kind of accumulative, all right? So it means like wave could basically give you some good gains, right? So but just be cautious, just in case we get the triple bottom right here also, right? Because we can still correct in time, right? Super high on POLKADOT, man. If you don't buy POLKADOT, man, you're gonna get left behind, man. I'm telling you. So guys, give me some new coins, right? Something to give you guys an analysis, right? And let's see. Hey Chip, if you want to join my premium group, you can definitely join my premium group. Okay, talk to me in the Telegram group, right? So it is just about 11:30. So let's see. Mark, thanks a lot, Mark. You're welcome, man. So guys, let's go ahead and take a look at my favorite watch list right here. Now let's go ahead and take a look at Binance BTC, the BTC pairs alt. So AGI, guys, AGI gave us a good you know summer last time. For those of you guys who've been in my both in my premium and public group, you know AGI, we did a nice 3-4x, okay, just about like the summer, late August, okay, I think late July, early August, right? That's when we basically pumped this sucker, man, like right there, guys. 200 sats all the way up to 600 sats. All right, what we said, buy the sucker, right? When we dropped down here, that was like July 25th. I remember exactly the week of July 25th, right? And like, you know, right here also like May 25th, like when we got those dumps, but most people started to call alt season is over, right? And I was like, alt season just started, guys. That's what I tried to tell you guys, like you know, last week, and I was like, alt season already started. Don't get fooled like about like alt season in March. We already started alt season, right? So right here, that's when I started saying buy what? Buy AGI. Okay, I gave you good warning, guys. May, June, July, August. If you accumulated AGI, you would be getting what? 300% gain. Okay, so we're gonna get another big move coming very soon on a 7 days basis, right? We're already breaking above 21 EMA weekly time frame. MACD but cross bullish, so I'm gonna give it like a special attention over the next like a few weeks. Okay, hopefully sucker will not 10x before you know, I get get the chance to do another macro analysis on it, right? So it's such a mess, I found Sen. So I'm telling you, man, make sure to share my content, guys. I'm not giving you any nonsense like analysis, okay? I don't talk nonsense. I'm telling you, I don't talk nonsense, all right? I don't talk nonsense. I'm not basically keeping you around for some nonsense, all right? I'm giving you great analysis and free. Aeon, I got a setup for Aeon. I think it is still around like 200 sats. But we're gonna pump. Okay, it is just not time yet, but we're gonna pump very, very hard. Okay, it is still a good hold, but it might be lagging over the next few weeks, so still very accumulative. If you want to put some profits on Aeon, let it sit. It's gonna give you some good profits. Okay, it's gonna give you some good profits. The worst case scenario is like Aeon gonna pump what? It's gonna pump like 200%. That's the worst case scenario. Okay, but you know, we just need to get above the 21 EMA right here. Okay, and you know, we're gonna accumulate right there, and then we're gonna take it to the upside. Rep Auger. Auger is still moving sideways right here, so very accumulative. Okay, just retesting the bottom, nothing going on. I mean, that's why I'm saying, like, if you trading short term, if an asset is bearish versus BTC, you might as well just stay in BTC. Do you see what I'm saying? Don't try to stay in USD, because BTC might still be going up and the asset still going to be going up, right? Because for instance, you're telling me Auger USD is going up. I don't even know the price of Auger USD, right? Rep USD. But you're telling me it is going up, right? I don't understand why. I understand exactly why it is going up, because BTC is going up very, very fast. Guys, let's see Auger USD. So you see Auger USD, if I take a look at the chart, I'm going to be bullish on it right now. Okay, I'm going to be bullish on it right now. But Auger BTC, I'm not bullish. Why I'm not bullish? Because it is not above the 2-day 21 EMA, right? So it only means, okay, I need to stay with BTC. That's all it means. Okay, it means like you're selling your Auger right now into BTC, you're still gonna get more Augers later on. Okay, I don't know if we say more Augers or more Auger, whatever, but we're gonna get more rep later on. Okay, more reps. Digibyte is killing it, man. DGB, I think I gave you DGB in my public group, right? So DGB still a hold. I told you buy it under 90 to 100 sats. It is already like 10% up. It's not a lot. Nice sell volume right here on a 2-day basis. Rejection could be anywhere around like 140 to 150, right? Primary rejection. Okay, but sucker is very volatile, so I think like it might just crush it and just take it to the upside without any retracement. But that might be aggressive to say. Let's just, you know, be cautious around like 150 for a another reaccumulation, right? Nothing needed. Okay, no question asked. Sucker gonna pump. That's it. 1 inch studio in the house. Monero. Hey guys, I finna call it a day, right? Have to hop out, right? Let me see. I didn't talk about Neo. Did I talk about Neo yet? Talk about Neo, because Neo was pissing me off around $24. Now it's at $30. Nice. Okay, Litecoin. I'm very happy with Litecoin right now. So let's take a look at Neo USD. So guys, if you're using a if you I mean, I'm not saying if you're using any exchange, right, make sure to not lose your 2FA whatever, right? Don't lose it, okay? Because you might not get it again, because they might not, you know, respond to your request and all of that good stuff. It is bull market time. Make sure you got your 2FA account saved up, right? Don't just go ahead and you know, change your phone and all of that good stuff. When you get your 2FA you know, code, save it somewhere, okay? Save it somewhere so you don't have to go through like you know, sending your ID and all of that good stuff, okay? It is bull market time. You will not have time for that, okay? You will not have time for that. So don't forget your password, all of that good stuff, man. It is very, very important, because I know some people like lost their BTC or like they coins just because they forgot their 2FA and they give, you know, they lost their phone, whatever, all that kind of good stuff, right? So something to just keep in mind, just to save your time and resources, right? So NEO, let's take a look at NEO. So NEO also broke out, right, on a 7 days basis. So we talked about it already. We just need to close above 26.27, okay? So let me go back to let's see. Guys, market is bumping. Telling you, man, market is going crazy, man. Market is going crazy. Let's see what Iceman is talking about right here. Digibyte is doing my NUT. Polar Bear got wrecked, man. I don't know where's Polar Bear, but hey San, should we? Hey man, look, make sure to write in the live stream, right? So I don't want to be reading like the question in the public Telegram group and we're doing live stream at the same time. Hey man, Polar Bear got wrecked, man. I don't know where Polar Bear is, right? I don't know where he at, but he must got him wrecked really good, properly wrecked, right? Oh, look at this sucker doing 20x. Oh, who's this? Filecoin. Be cautious, man, with this 20x. Uh, 600% gain, man. I didn't like, guys. That's the type. Look, that's what I'm trying to show. I'm gonna show you something, guys. Avoid this, okay? Avoid. Okay, it is beautiful to make these gains, but one thing I'm trying to tell you, okay? We did enter at 22 to 24, but I did not say to do 20x because our target, we know we got a potential target up to 67 Filecoin, right? But avoid these 20x moves, all right? They're gonna get you wrecked. 2x is enough, okay? 2x is enough. I'm giving you 50% moves, 100% move. You don't need 20x. You don't need it, okay? Don't get addicted with these all this good stuff, okay? Because if you take a look at my Filecoin setup in our premium, File USD. I need to start spelling it right. I always put a look at our setup for file, okay? That was before the breakout, that was after the breakout. But before the breakout, what we said, we're gonna hit all the way up to, we're gonna pump all the way up to 67. But file was what? 23. 23, guys. That's the 4x move. Okay, not 4x, man. I need to get my math right. 3x, right? So that's what we said actually, right here, everyone. Okay, under, you know, Filecoin is under accumulation, resistance 24 to 26, accumulation below 25, target 67 to 75. Bang, easy guys, easy, right? Easy, right? Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful setup, right? Beautiful setup. Let me see, guys. Mika. Give me guys 1 second, guys. So if you just joined my premium, right? I think like Mika just joined. Just pay attention to my alt setup and live trading discussion for your first couple of days, just in case you know, I don't want you to get lost and all of that good stuff, right? So I don't want you to get, you know, lost and all of that good stuff. Just pay attention to my short-term setup in altcoin setups, and my, you know, my long-term setup actually in altcoin setups, and my short-term setups in live trading discussion, right? That's where you get the nice short-term moves, right? Let's see what's going on right here, guys. What's going on, man? Let me know what's going on. Litecoin ready to pump, guys. Let's do this. Now we got a nice smooth streaming today. No issues at all. What's up, Ludwig in the house? I'm not recommending anything. You want to get like, you know, all I'm saying, we got target to that level. If you want to sell, great. If you want to hold it, great. But sucker could go all the way up to $400, right? Bzrx, let's see. Bzrx USDT. So Bzrx, we also got a weekly breakout, so it is still a good hold. Nothing crazy going on right now. I mean, it is a big move. That's why, guys, it is very good to be part of a trading group. It's 400% up. It has to move sideways. Okay, it has to move sideways, right? 500% up. It cannot keep going forever. Most people are going to be taking profits. So that's when you basically got to rotate, right? You buy other alt, right? You take some profits. You bought, you know, I don't know why I didn't pay attention to this sucker, but IOST is giving me the same setup, right? IOST and Wi-Fi, same setup right now. Okay, same exact setup. Let's go ahead and take a look at IOST. But I'm seeing the setup all the time over the last, oh, right here. But IOST is doing it like on the low degree, right here, 6 hour, right? Same setup right here. Okay, so it is ready to take off. Okay, the only downside is like, you know, negative sentiment is like you could retrace down here to retest the double bottom, right? That's it. Litecoin, my bad. Should we chase Litecoin? I mean, just huddle. If it's just like, you don't need to jump in and out. That's how most people are going to be losing money. Okay, don't jump in and out. You're already in your position. You're expecting sucker to move like 30, 40, 50%. Just give it time. Okay, just give it time. 2 to 3 days, 4 days, sometimes 5 days, 1 week. It's going to give you the big move you're expecting. You just have to be patient. Okay, just have to be patient. Okay, so otherwise you're going to be losing money in you're going to be a broke bull. Okay, you don't want to be a broke bull, meaning like you're going to lose money in the bull market. Okay, you don't want to be there even though you're bullish. Okay, Kava, it is hitting $4. We got a target up to $5, guys. So guys, we're killing it, man. We're killing it, man. Killing it. BitTorrent went crazy. See ya. let's see BTC. We are bullish on SEA coin. So you look, if you a beautiful setup, man. Beautiful setup. Look at it, guys. Double top, double bottom. Right there, right there, right there. Just going to the moon, man. We do have a setup for SEA, okay, above like 70 sats, so it is still a good hold. Low sell volume right here, okay, while we accumulating, so nothing crazy, right? So SEA very beautiful. We could break above like at least 40 sats, right? Oh, you knew? Okay, Pimp is new to the market. Great. Broke bull. I mean, I know it is very easy to be a broke bull, so be cautious, okay? You can be a broke bull, or you can be a you know, a broke bear too, by shorting the bottom, right? Guys, I'm getting tired right now. Dent. Oh, Dent, that sucker, man. That sucker wrecked me so bad, right? That sucker, I don't even know how much Dent I'm holding. I bought it like early in 2018. I'm like 99.99% down. I think I bought it like, it's kind of like what you guys doing right now. You make so much profits, right? And you don't know where to put it at. You're just gonna buy any sucker, right? And sucker is down like 99.9, guys. So I don't know. I think I got like $1 worth on it. I'm just joking, but I'm so wrecked on Dent. So do I see Zilliqa going to $1? Possibly, yes. Zappa, Tron is doing okay. Tron is just moving sideways. If you sell your Tron right now on dollar, right? If you sell your Tron USD, you're gonna regret it later on, because this sucker is not even moving versus BTC at all. It's not. It just start moving like right now, like, you know, it's not doing anything, right? It's not doing anything. It's just warming up. Just warming up, man. Warming up. I'm gonna give it some time. I think it can still do move sideways also, right? But it is still a good hold, okay? Because we just don't know with Tron. When it moves, it's gonna move crazily to the upside, right? It's gonna give you a crazy move. So we just don't want to be like trying to sell it and buy back. It's like when it dips, you just buy it, okay? So let's take a look at RLC. Now we're supposed to talk about this alt. Syscoin also looking very good. Right here did have a nice move back in November, so it is likely to go back to the November highs very shortly. So pay attention to Syscoin. A beautiful setup. I think it is ready to move it in the next few days. Okay, Sys is beautiful. Okay, you can leverage it, so it is a spot buy for another 100% move. Okay, that's a resistance right here. So this setup, that's the same setup we played on GTE actually. GTE USD, not GTE USD, but GTE, right? Stop. That's the same setup we played, right? Grand Tierra right here. That's the same setup, okay? We just play the pattern right there, okay? So it's just gonna go back, retest the top right here. Beautiful move, right? Who is this? Colossal just sent me a message. Let's see what this guy is talking about. Hey, what's up, Colossal? Chip, what's up, man? Thanks a lot for tuning in. Okay, just joining into crypto. Great, man. So all these guys just jumping into crypto, man, they're gonna get wrecked too, right? So they just have to go through a 2018 bear market just like us. I'm just joking, man. You guys not gonna get wrecked. Oh man, 2018 was depressing, man, for most of us. KNC VChain already up 20%, man. Like, guys, we're not talking about VChain 20%. If you sell your VChain for 20% gain, you're gonna be buying it after it's 20x. That's all I can tell you. Hey guys, I don't know if any of you guys are paying attention to KuCoin share, but I'm just gonna give you a free analysis, free target for KuCoin share. I already told you, like, guys, at the same time I told you about BNB, right? Same exact time I gave you a KuCoin share price analysis, right? So it is a good buy, good hold over the next few months. Okay, even if you have it like 1% of your portfolio, this sucker got a potential move like a 20x versus BTC right there. It's gonna go all the way back up to the top. Okay, all the way back up, guys. But it's gonna drop back down, so you better go back into BTC if like we hit like a 85,000 sats. RSR, I like RSR BTC. RSR BTC, a nice bottom formation, right? And I'm waiting for it to potentially retest the bottom, but I'm not sure if like we're gonna get another bottom retest right here. So buy range is like 80. I didn't even basically send this setup yet. So but it is buy range just about like 80 to 100 sats, right? A retest of the trend at 60, $60, 60 sats, not dollar. Strong support. We could retest it. So if you buy 80, you might just suck it up, and now like we could potentially retest it. If we break above like 180, you take profit, and then you're gonna let this sucker do the job. Okay, just like CRV. I talked about CRV when CRV was like late December, same exact price level. Okay, right here, not price level in terms of like price, but timing. CRV was right here at the same exact time, late December, but sucker could not break resistance. So even if we retest right here, it's gonna fly. Okay, it's gonna fly to the moon. Very bullish on it. Okay, RSR, it is a good hold. Man, I don't do any fundamentals. Elon can buy all the Bitcoin. I'm just doing the charting. Okay, I'm just doing the charting. I've been telling you Bitcoin is bullish, guys. I was one of the biggest bear at 10K. I said it, I'm not bearish above 11.5, and I've never been this bullish on Bitcoin. Okay, all right guys, I'm just gonna call it a day. I'm pretty tired. All right, hopefully you guys enjoy the live stream, right? Make sure to share it, right, in your other public Telegram group. Don't share it in your premium group, you're gonna get kicked out, I'm telling you guys. So share it in your public Telegram groups, right? And so we can hit our 10,000 subscribers before end of the first quarter. Okay, we're already at 3.5, so we could go parabolic over the next like a few weeks if you guys do the right thing. Hit the likes, subscribe, hit the notification, join the public Telegram group. If you want to upgrade to my premium group, you do that. We're definitely gonna hit 10,000 subscribers before end of the first quarter. Okay, so thanks a lot, guys. Stay safe. I want you to guys, all of you guys, make some millions of dollars. So just be cautious, right? Don't do anything crazy. Okay, don't do anything crazy. Okay, you're gonna make some life-changing opportunities right here. Okay, some life-changing gains, right, over the next few months.